Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, I will guide you how to use Ninja Download Manager, that is a free as well as paid application. However, you can use free application without any issue and you can utilize it to download bigger files on your Windows 10, 11 or any other Windows operating system. For this, all you need to download this one freeware application. That link you will find in this video description. After that, install it on your computer and open it, and you will see this one normal options. This one is for adding a link. By default, all you need to copy the download links. Suppose I want to download this one Windows 11 ISO. After clicking on this one, it will not adopted by Ninja Download Manager. That means all you need to press Ctrl J on your keyboard and then cancel the downloads option and just right click on this one download link and copy this one option. Use this one option, copy link address, and then open Ninja Download Manager and click on this one plus icon. Then you need to paste this one URL. After that, click on this one add button. This will start download. The developer of this one software claims it can download 20 times faster comparing to a browser download manager. If you want to make it more accessible, click on this one settings option of the Ninja Download Manager. Then you can set here several options, choose the download location, etc. After this, switch to this one downloads tab. You can set here maximum concurrent downloads limit. You can set up to 20 files at a time. Then this one is maximum connections per download. You can increase it up to 32 connections for a single file. Next one is limit download speed to. You can set the speed limit, maximum speed limit. And the most important thing is that if you don't want to copy and paste the link to download any file on your Windows PC, click on this one browser setup button. Here you will find three browser options: Chrome, Firefox and Opera. Just click on any preferred browser you every time use. Suppose I want use always Chrome, just click on this one Chrome button, and then you need to install a extension on your browser. Just click on this one add button. This will add extension on your browser. Now you don't need to copy and paste the link to download any software. I just show you. I just cancel it. Now I want to download this one file again. Now after installing extension, just I will click on this one link and Ninja Download Manager will automatically start downloading the file. As you can see on my screen, I have not copied and pasted link this time in the Ninja Download Manager. I just tried to download Windows 11 32 ISO and just it automatically copied the link and started download in Ninja Download Manager. Like this, you can use Ninja Download Manager free version without any issue and increase your download speed. This one is the best download manager available over the internet. And that's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.